Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today we are back with another easy tutorial and we are learning how we can create a new account on BingX. If you're looking to start trading or exploring crypto on BingX but don't know how, then you are in the right place. In this video, we'll learn how to register for a new account on BingX safely and quickly. First things first, make sure that you've downloaded the BingX application on your smartphone. Go visit your App Store or your Google Play Store and download the app. Once you download the app, launch it open. Once you do that, you'll end up in the home screen of BingX, from where you'll need to go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top left corner, and from the expanded menu, click on Sign Up. To sign up or register for BingX, you can go ahead and choose whether you'd like to sign up via email or phone number at the top. Choose any one method and then enter your phone number or email depending upon your choice. After typing down your email, if you've got a referral code with you, tap the referral code drop-down and enter a referral code in the text box. If you don't have the referral code, simply tap on Sign Up Now. And yes, you can also sign up quickly by using one of the options at the bottom of the screen, that is sign up with Google or sign up with Apple. Since I've chosen email, let's tap on Sign Up Now at the top, and then on the next page, you'll need to verify your new email. Go check your email inbox and you'll receive a 6-digit verification code sent to you. Copy that verification code and paste it inside here, or simply type it down manually. And after typing it down, on the next page, you'll be asked to set a password for your account. Create a strong password you'll remember next time while needed, and make sure the password meets these criteria displayed at the top and tap on Sign Up Now. Now, you can go ahead and start with the verification process. To start using the BingX services, you'll need to go ahead and upload a valid ID document and then upload a selfie of yourself. Tap on Verify Now. If you want to do this later, you can also skip this step by tapping Skip at the top right corner, and there you have it. You have successfully created a new account on BingX. Now you can go ahead and enable security features such as two-factor authentication for added account protection, and there you have it. That's how you can easily create a brand new BingX account. And now you are ready to explore trading and other features. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.